Hello and welcome to Smart Money Friend. If you've ever felt confused about money, if you've ever wondered why it feels so hard to save, or if you've asked yourself, why didn't anyone teach me this? You are not alone. Money is something we all use every day, yet many people were never taught how it works. That's why this channel exists, to explain money simply, clearly, and without pressure. This video is a complete beginner guide to money. You don't need any background knowledge. You don't need to be good at math. You don't need to be rich. All you need is a willingness to learn, one step at a time. By the end of this video, you will understand what money really is, how to manage it wisely, how to avoid common money mistakes, and how to start building better money habits. Let's begin. Money is simply a tool. It is not good or bad. It is not the source of happiness or stress by itself. Money only does what we tell it to do. Money helps us pay for needs like food, housing, and transportation, take care of our families, plan for the future, handle emergencies. Problems with money usually don't come from not having enough. They often come from not knowing how to manage what we have. That's why financial literacy matters. Financial literacy means understanding how money works, so you can make better decisions. Part 2. The 4 basic money skills. Every person needs 4 basic money skills. 1. Earning money. This is how money comes in. It could be a job, a business, freelance work side income. The key idea, money must come in before it can go out. 2. Spending money. Spending is how money leaves your hands. There are 2 types of spending: needs, things you must have; wants, things that are nice to have. Problems happen when wants are treated like needs. 3. Saving money. Saving means keeping money for later instead of spending it now. Saving protects you from emergencies, stress, debt. Even small savings matter. 4. Growing money. This is about making money work for you over time. This includes investing, long-term planning. You don't need to start here. First, you must learn to manage money. Many people struggle with money because they were never taught. They copy what others do. They spend emotionally. They don't track where money goes. This is not a personal failure. It is a knowledge gap. And knowledge can be learned. Here is the golden rule. Spend less than you earn. This sounds simple, but it changes everything. When you spend more than you earn, you rely on debt. You feel stressed, you lose control. When you spend less than you earn, you can save, you can plan, you gain peace of mind. Everything else in money management starts here. A budget is not punishment. A budget is a plan. A budget answers one question: where should my money go? Simple budgeting steps. Write down how much money comes in. List your fixed expenses. Rent, utilities, transportation. List flexible expenses. Food, entertainment, shopping. Decide how much to save. That's it. You don't need fancy apps. A notebook works. Part 6. Saving money without stress. Saving does not mean suffering. Start small. Even $5, $10, $20. Saving builds a habit. Emergency savings. This is money set aside for car repairs, medical needs, unexpected bills. Start with a small goal, $500 emergency fund. Then grow from there. Part 7. Understanding debt. Debt is borrowed money. Some debt can be helpful, some debt can be harmful. Risky debt. Credit cards used for wants, high-interest loans. Debt becomes dangerous when you can't pay it back. It grows faster than your income. The goal is not perfection. The goal is control. Credit means trust. When you use credit, you borrow money. You promise to pay it back. Good credit helps with housing, transportation, lower interest rates. Bad credit makes life more expensive. The key rule: borrow only what you can repay. Money is not just about today. Think about the next year, the next 5 years, your future self. Small choices today create big results later. Here are habits that change lives. Track your spending. Save before spending. Avoid emotional purchases. Plan before big expenses. Learn continuously. You don't need to do everything at once. Progress beats perfection. Money does not control you. You can learn to control money. Financial literacy is not about being rich. It's about being prepared, calm, and confident. Here at Smart Money Friend, we'll continue breaking money down into simple lessons, one step at a time. If this video helped you, subscribe for more easy, beginner-friendly money education. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.